Hello student, take out your EVS book, open page number 48. Chapter number 9, Making of Clothes. स्टूडेंट नंबर ऑफ चैप्टर अपने EVS की बुक में बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, इसलिए कुछ चैप्टर अपने छोड़े हुए हैं, इसलिए चैप्टर 8 मैं नहीं पढ़ाऊँगी। चैप्टर 9 सीधा है मेकिंग ऑफ क्लोथ्स, किस तरीके से कपड़े बनते हैं। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दिस चैप्टर। तो बच्चों आप भी ट्राई कीजिए मेरे साथ इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने का। लाउडली इसको पढ़ना है आपको। इंट्रोडक्शन। एज वी नो वी गेट कॉटन फ्रॉम कॉटन प्लांट, बट हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड हाउ वी गेट क्लोथ फ्रॉम ए प्लांट और हाउ फ्लावर कैन बी यूज्ड इन मेकिंग ऑफ क्लोथ्स? We get cotton fibers from the cotton plant. The thread from which cloth is formed is called fiber. Fiber are of two types, natural and synthetic. The fibers we get from nature, either from plants or animals, are called natural fibers. Cotton, wool, silk and jute are natural fibers. The fibers we make in factories without using natural fibers are called synthetic fiber. Nylon, rayon and polyester are synthetic fibers. From cotton fiber to cloth. We get cotton fiber from the flower of cotton plant. We make thread from the cotton fiber by spinning. This thread is called yarn. The yarn is used by weaver to make cloth. They weave yarn on their loom to make a piece of cloth. Weaver weaving clothes on a loom is then dyed by the dryer in a different colors. Finally, a tailor stitches the dyed clothes to make pants, shirt, frocks and many kinds of dresses. From wool fiber to woolen clothes. We get wool from the skin hair of a sheep. This method of removing the skin hair from the sheep is called shearing. From silkworm to silk cloth. Leaf of mulberry, mulberry tree, leaf of mulberry. Female silkworm moth with egg, larva, caterpillar, silkworm feeding on mulberry leaves, cocoons, silk fiber, cloth from silk. Silk is also a natural fiber. We get silk from silkworm. Silkworm make a cocoon which is made up of long sticky threads. These cocoon are collected in a large numbers and boiled in a big tank. After boiling, the sticky thread unfold and we get silk fiber. This silk is then dyed in a different colors. The weaver then weaves the silk fiber on a loom. Finally, the tailor makes the beautiful dresses from the shiny, smooth silk clothes. Hard word of this chapter. Fibre, fiber. Synthetic, synthetic, synthetic. Natural, natural, natural. Nylon, nylon, nylon. Rayon, 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 rayon. Polyester, polyester, polyester. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Yarn, yarn, yarn. Sharing, Shearing, sharing. Mulberry, Mulberry, mulberry. Cocoon, cocoon. Student, write this hard word in your notebook. Have a nice day. Goodbye.